So you have a Jandy cartridge filter. Let's show you how to clean it and when to clean it. What's the best way to know when it's time to clean your filter? We're always gonna look at the pump and see our prime. We want the water hitting the top of this lid. If the water is not hitting the top of this, we know it's time to clean our filter. So on this band here, we're always gonna have a locking mechanism. See right here? This is hard to find right here. So it's pushed up against the wall. So when we initially look at this filter, we don't see it until we peek around the bend. We can see it right there. So you need to make sure you find that first. Then we need to figure out where our timer is. Going to engage our button. Spin our band. After a full turn around our band, you can see how hard it is to turn this band. And this is an easy mistake to make. Just try and force it through. What you need to do is you need to open up this air release. We should hear the air coming out. As soon as we release that air, we can go ahead and continue loosening our band. There's our filter right here. You can see this rod in here. We're gonna pick it straight up. Straight up, we don't want to be coming down. Or there's a little plastic piece in here. If you pull it to the side when you pull it up, you could catch that and break it off. This is what we need to worry about, catching it with our filter, because this is made out of plastic. Okay, we got the filter clean. And go ahead and put it in. And thread that rod right through the middle. We're gonna be aware of this plastic piece I showed you. Start spinning your band around and see if it falls into place. If not, back off and try it again. Leaving this air release open up here. Now wait till this clicks. You can see once the button is engaged, the band cannot spin any further, which is exactly what we want. Verify that it's in the groove and turn it back on. Give it a little bit of back pressure if it's struggling. If everything's right, we should have a full basket prime. Telltale moment, will we get any more? I'm Spencer, this is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here, and please subscribe right here. Thank you so much, we'll see you next week. All right, Boo, here you go. This is what models do. Models get cheese.